You can still think meanwhile. Still think meanwhile. Countdown starts. 1, 2, 3. This is not fair here. The sound should wake up 2 or 3 hostels here. Please start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop. Stop. Okay. How much did you get? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yeah, one answer is C.
Same.
13.
13. You got 13. How much did you get? 11. 13 you got, 11 you got. Now see, 4 people got 13 and 11. Earlier, 8 people got 9, correct? Or 9 people got 8. Now 4 people got 13 and 11. Something is going, what do you think has happened actually?
Almost, when they act as a team, they get...
When they act as a team, they got more. Or is it more time?
It's more time as well as...
More time and more, the teamwork probably got more ideas.
Yes.
Okay. You put more effort. Earlier, you were satisfied with one answer. One answer is enough. Okay, that was the idea.
Yes.
You never even thought that you could give more than one answer when the question was asked. Am I right or wrong? You all were satisfied with just one answer, and whatever struck in your mind, you didn't proceed any further. Should we do that in life?
No.
Why shouldn't we do that?
The best of...
You see, actually there is a point. There are so many evidence to point out that there are many scientific discoveries of today which were discussed in the scriptures of the past. The scriptures were written in the age when there was no labs, there was no SRM university, there was no research facilities, there was no tools, equipments, etc. How could they have done so much things? What could be, and why are we not doing it nowadays? These are 2 questions which you have to think. One, we had very intelligent minds. We do have intelligent minds today. Why are there lesser discoveries and inventions coming? Probably the answer is in thinking. Where are we going wrong? Okay, now you are the judge. The teams, please come to the respective position. Now you see, I'm going to give them a statement. Now you will have to actually, I'm going to tell you a small story or a statement, whatever, whichever way, it's a joke probably. You'll have to actually, as a team, discuss among yourself, you'll have to extend the story. You'll have to extend the story, that's what I wanted to do, okay? Now you see, someone's told, after they went for a trekking, someone told, thank God we took a mule with us. You know what's a mule, right? Thank God we took a mule with us. So the other person asked, why, what happened? You see, Ramesh got injured, and because we had a mule, we could get him in the mule. Otherwise, we could have lost Ramesh. Because we had a mule, we could keep Ramesh in the mule and we could get him down. So then someone asked, okay, how did he get injured? You're listening, right? This is for you. So someone asked, how did he get injured? The other person said, the mule actually kicked him. Kicked him. Thank God, we took a mule along with us. So the other person asked, why did you say thank God? Because when Ramesh got injured, we could bring him down by sitting him on the mule. So the third person asked, how did he get injured? The answer was, the mule kicked him. Okay, you understood what is the thing? Okay, I'll continue the story. Not elaborate, continue. Continue the story, at least one more sentence. Think and continue. You will have to judge which one is the best one, if at all the answer is coming. Though again, the answer may not also come. Think and whatever you say, I'll accept. And whosoever answer is good, We will give them 10 rupees. 10 rupees is fine. You will give? Okay. Donkey. Think it that way. Okay.
We are taking it as first day.
The donkey and, it's a.
As
Yeah.
Then why did you take a mule for trekking?
They took a mule for trekking because
One day fall.
it's supposed to be a joke, but no one got it actually. Fair enough. Okay. Yeah. Okay, count down please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Anything? Huh?
So that mule kick him and he fallen down and he reached there. Mule used to kick that person and he reached there that down. So, with
So
the
more
help
kicked
of-
and he reached down. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other answer? That's okay.
I haven't yet decided, sir. I haven't yet decided.
You haven't yet decided. You some more time? Okay, take one more minute. We'll have to come out with an answer. Okay, there are two things again. Let us see. Now, there is when I was talking about a rose, there are different ways of looking at a rose. When a poet looks at a rose, what does he think of? Love. What else? Poem. Poet will think of poem. Okay, fair enough. Poet, poem. What else? When he sees a rose, what does a poet think? Huh? Valentine Day. Poet will think of Valentine Day. Probably your age might think when you see rose as Valentine Day. Poet might think of love, etc. Beautiful life. Okay. Is there a particular way by which an MBA should look at rose? This is my question. Yeah. Huh? How to make money out of that? Please give him a big hand, please. Please give him a big hand. See, there are different ways by which we look at each thing. So, is there a particular way by which an MBA should look at it? That is what my question. How do you make money out of rose? Please, can you please elaborate? You can sell it to a, okay. What are the other ways you can make money out of rose? What are the other ways you can make money out of rose? Sell it to scent manufacturer. Very good. Again, what else? You can make a beautiful photograph and sell it. Okay. Huh? You can export. Export good quality of roses. Sell it in the market. Okay. Very good. Okay. What else? What other way? Where did you get all these roses? Another question. Okay. What other way? What are other ways by which you can make? Marriage roses, yes. Decoration purpose, yes. What else? Bouquets. I was waiting for this for a long time. Bouquets, yes. What else? Rose juice, yes. Okay. Gulkand was? Rose water, yes. Medicine? I don't know, maybe, I don't know. Some Ayurvedic, homo, something may be there. Okay, what else? Perfume, yes. Okay.
I will give it to a rich and much girl so that I